Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can manage or set up date and time settings on OPPO Find X6. So first go to settings and then scroll down until you see system and update. Here click on date and time, and here you can change the time format, time zones, and today's date and time. As you can see, we can choose between 12-hour or 24-hour time format. We can set the time, or we can use it automatically. Now we can set the time zone, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.